Welcome everybody to my channel. Today we continue with this epic assembling. Part 10. Part 10 we have to apply stickers. But I promised you in the last video that I'm going to do it. Not at all. Later. Before we have to connect the body clips to the body. To do this, I have prepared this. Where is it? This cord. It was white, where this I have painted yellow, because yellow is very nice on the body of the car. This is one. This is two. A drill with a hole that makes a hole a little bit larger than the cord. It's important, otherwise you have to do something very big on the other side in order not to get the cord out. Then we need also a burner, a lighter, to close the knot, and nothing else. So before starting, I remember all the things you already know. Subscribe, give like, tell your friends, do everything you think is good to do for my channel, and thank you very much. So bam bam bam, start working and stop speaking. Where do I make hole? Not here, but a little bit here, a little bit here, here, here. Okay, this is the right place. Attention. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I have used an expression that is very common in Italy, and it is like, oh damn, gently. A trick to get the cord passing through the holes that are very tight. It's better to make the cord a little bit rigid. This is perfectly done with the instant glue. So this is stiff, and it is a sort of needle. This material is Dyneema. It's impossible to cut, you have to burn. Okay. Clips are fixed. This is the sound of clips. You never lose them. Next work, we will use this and this. These are reflectors, tapes, adhesive from 3M. Very, very good product. They work very well. I have already used. You can see my other video on the slash one, I remember. And I would like to do all the indicators, the two in front, the two in the side, and the reflectors in the red light on the rear. It's very easy. I cut the adhesive, I put here over, and use like a guide to cut out the adhesive. Let's do it. I'll show you the result. Done. The indicators are shining. Then we can go on and do all the rest in slideshow. By now we can stop here. We have to decide if going over with all the other stickers, the sponsors, the Subaru stickers, the official car for the rally, and or stop here. It looks a little poor. It's very nice, but it's a little poor. Perhaps with the stickers it's better. I think I will do a great thing. I will go to sleep. Then tomorrow we will see. I have decided we apply all the stickers because the car is nice, but it's quite empty. A little bit of color. So we start from here, I think. Yes, before the big yellow one, then the numbers, and so on. seen, stickers are on. At the end, we have done it. This is a wonderful body. I'm very happy. The video continues with some pictures to appreciate the work. By now, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, like, all these boring things, please. And up to the next with interior.